Welcome to Lucky Wheels. A situation where a car didn't pay attention to the emergency siren of an ambulance led to an accident causing severe damage. A terrible accident occurred on the road due to a car failing to maintain a safe distance from the vehicle in front, leading to a crash that caused severe damage to the cars involved. This video is created for educational purposes and includes serious incidents involving trucks and cars, highlighting the dangers of high-speed driving and the importance of traffic safety measures. These incidents have garnered global attention due to their sudden and often dramatic nature, while also emphasizing the critical importance of road safety. Let's get it on. Oh my God, you should be ready to yield to emergency vehicles, even if you have a green light. Staying calm is the most important thing to do in this kind of situation. Please be careful, everyone. I hope no one gets hurt after this. Well, minimize the use of brakes within the curve. Hard braking during a curve can lead to loss of control. Instead, control your speed before entering the curve. Can't believe you people find this confusing. Please read the giant arrows on the ground. Never panic once good driving and glad the driver's safe.
He loves it.
Oh.
Defensive driving and always keeping a safe distance, folks.
Back and spends months recovering. What he'll do when his
Oops, be cautious when making sharp turns and avoid sudden lane changes. Distribute weight low and evenly to minimize the risk of a rollover. Tonotomanami. It's a good thing everyone is fine. I hope he knows how serious it is. Roads were in terrible shape, but to stay safe, folks. The incident involved due to overcorrection, right? Be careful. Everyone. Let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys. If you enjoy our video, leave a comment below with the number 1. Oops, maintaining a safe distance can prevent chain reactions. Having enough space allows you to stop gradually.
Бенз 95 подорожает до 70 рублей. Слышал? Что было?
Аварийное видео.
I hope he learns his lesson after all. Glad he's okay. Everyone be vigilant and observant for your surroundings, especially when approaching intersections, alleys, or side streets. All I can say is drive carefully. You never know when you encounter a distracted driver. Driving when you're not feeling well is an unnecessary risk. Make smart choices, please. Learn from the mistake and more carefully in the future. Man, pay attention to exit signs and landmarks to avoid missing your exit again.
Да вы не поняли, что, ну как это говорят? Инструкторы говорят, да там,
No, never drive into the influence of alcohol or medications that may impair your cognitive function. Let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys. If you enjoy our video, leave a comment below with the number 1 by name. If conditions become too hazard, or if you unsafe falling over to a safe location and waiting for the weather to improve, do not imitate this if you don't want fines or even license suspensions. Stay alert, guys. Oh my, this incident was caused by vehicles cutting into each other's lanes. Don't imitate that behavior. Bro makes steering movement smoothly and avoids sudden or sharp turns. Abrupt steering can lead to loss of traction and results in skidding. You would have been charged with dangerous driving for that, so don't do it. Oh, when approaching an intersection, you need to slow down to avoid accidents. Folks use the 3-second rule to ensure that you have enough time to react if the vehicle ahead brakes suddenly. Always maintain a safe distance while driving. What happened to those 2 cars? I hope everyone is okay.
Где тоже вот было не очень, и чтобы вас вот предупредить. Да, все.
Ты молодечек вообще прям.
Да.
Молодечек. Все сразу же вот спокойно теперь.
Ребят, простите за флот.
Adopted defensive driving mindset by assuming that other drivers may not always follow the rules of the road. Let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys. If you enjoy our video, leave a comment below with the number 1 right in. Practice patience and remember that arriving safely at your destination is more important than saving a few minutes of travel time. This driver is definitely distracted. Make sure to stay focused when driving. Even with the road work, here's still plenty of signage. People just ignore them. Maybe they'll learn a lesson. As long as you keep a safe distance, even if the car in front of you stops suddenly, you have enough time to brake. Be alert, folks. This is a reminder that the roads demand our full attention. We all want to avoid it. Never cut off other drivers or force your way into the lane, bro. No way the driver was obviously dozing off. This is why you aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night to ensure that you're well rested before driving.
Playboys and Playgirls.
Oh, really?
And I saw that, I'm like, oh.
People, this is the consequence of running a red light. Do not imitate this.
God, they roll.
This driver is probably nodding off while driving. Always stay alert when you're behind the wheel. This is why you leave a good following distance, so you have room to brake.
Че, столб упал?
Фонарь чуть у нас не упал.
Thank you for watching videos from start to finish. Share your favorite moment in the comments below. If you've enjoyed this video, please show your appreciation by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. See you next video.